Dear students, as many of you had requested also that we will be discussing about the output-based questions, because the output-based questions become a very integral part of the ICSE computer applications paper. So keeping that in mind, I have kept this video which will be discussing about the various output-based questions which will be there for your examination. Now, when you are properly discussing this output-based questions, or you will be going through the various output-based questions, it will help you understand these questions. And also I'll be discussing some of the MCQ questions that also become a very integral part of the computer applications paper. So wishing you all the best for the examination. I'll be starting with this computer applications output-based questions. Now, when we talk about this output-based question, the output-based questions are maximum of the output-based questions which will be getting, that will be coming from loops. Now, the first question you see here, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. J equal to 1, J less than equal to 4, J plus plus, and then system.out.print J. Always you have to remember the difference between print and println. Print means after printing it will move to the next line, and println it will move to the next line after printing. So print stays there only, right? Print के बाद statement वहीं पे रुकता है, but println के बाद it moves to the next line. So you see here the outer loop goes from 1 to 5 and the inner loop goes from 1 to the 4. So when I was 1, it began from 1, it is going till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, when I became 2, it began from 1 till 4. I is 3, 1 to 4. I is 4, 1 to 4. I is 5, 1 to 4. So the inner loop prints 1 to 4 and then it moves down. Again 1 to 4, again moves down. So this will be the output of the first question. I hope this is okay. Now, second one you see. Int I and s equal to 0. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. The loop of I begins from 1 and goes till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S equal to S plus I plus 2. Now, initially S was 0. 0 plus 1, that's 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Next time I becomes 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. I is 3. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12. Next time I becomes 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 2, 18. Next time I becomes 5, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 2 is 25. Now here the print statement is outside the loop, so the output will be 25, right? So always remember, if the print statement is within the loop, all the intermediate values will be printed. If the print statement is outside the loop, only the last value will be printed. Is it okay? Third one now. Int I s equal to 0. Now for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. S equal to s plus I plus 2. Now here the print statement is within the loop, right? The print statement is within the loop. So the difference between the previous second and third one is that in the second one, the print statement is outside the loop, so only the last value is printed. And in the third one, the print statement is within the loop, so all the intermediate values are printed. Is it okay? Sure. Next one. Fourth one is int I and sum. For I equal to 5, sum equal to 0. Now here you see there are the initial value of I is 5. Test condition, there are two things here. Sum equal to 0, I less than equal to 10. Sum plus equal to I, sum equal to sum plus I, and then I plus plus. So sum will be updated with I, and this I less than equal to 10, this is I plus plus. So here initial value is 1, test condition is 2, and update value is 2. So for the first one, this will be the update value. For the second one, this will be the update value. Now system.out.println I into I. It will be printing I into I. Now the value of initial value of I was 5, sum was 0. I less than equal to 10, sum plus equal to I. So I was less than equal to 10, so it prints 5 into 5 is 10. Sorry, 5 into 5 is 25. I plus plus 25 into 6, 36. 36 into, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, 64, 9 into 9, 81, 10 into 10, 100. Now sum is equal to sum plus I. This is going on in background. Sum plus I. So 5 plus 6, 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 9, 36. Here it is 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, 27, no, 5 plus 6, 11, 5 sum equal to sum plus, okay, it is adding with I. So sum will become equal to 45. Fifth one, I equal to 4, do system.out.println I plus 2 while minus minus I is greater than 0. While minus minus I is greater than 0. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 3. Minus minus I, when I was 1, minus minus 1 is greater than 0. It will not go after that. So 5, 4, 3, 2. 5 plus, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 2 is 3. So this is the output. I equal to 4. Do system.out.println I plus 2. Now here I minus minus. So it took for 0 also, right? I minus minus 0 plus 2 is 2. That also is coming. So it is getting an entry there also. Just see this one. System.ia was 5. System.out.println A. It printed 5. Now this entire is coming in a sequence. A plus plus. A plus plus. The value of A will be updated, but after this statement. So it printed only 5. But after this statement, A has become how much? 6. So it again got system.out.println. It is becoming 6. A minus minus. It will remain 6 only. After this, it is 5. Minus minus A, it will print 4. Plus plus A, it will print 5. Okay? Now you see this question. This also you'll be getting either in output-based questions you can get or in an MCQ you can get. A equal to 5. A equal to A plus 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 minus minus A minus A plus 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 A minus 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 A plus A plus plus. So what happens here? 5 plus 5, 10, minus 5, A plus plus, it remained 5. After that, it has become how much? 6. Minus minus A, कितना हो गया? 5. Plus minus A plus plus, it is 5. इसके बाद ये 6. A minus minus, it is 6. 6 के बाद ये कितना हो गया? 5. Minus minus A हो गया 4. Plus A plus plus, it is 4 only. Now mathematical part, it becomes 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 16, 6 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, minus 5 minus 4, 20 minus 9 is 11. Okay? Once again, you see A equal to 3. This is a shorthand operator. A plus equal to minus minus A minus A plus 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 A minus 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 A minus minus A plus 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 A. तो क्या हो गया क्वेश्चन? A इक्वल टू A प्लस माइनस माइनस A माइनस A प्लस 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 A माइनस 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 A प्लस 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 A. So you substitute the values, like अगर हम करते हैं यहाँ पे A equal to, if I say A plus, the value of A is how much? 3 plus minus minus A, it is 2 minus A plus plus minus minus A, so it is 2. आगे चल के it will be 3 plus A minus minus how much? 3, but again it will be 2 minus 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 of A, it is 1 plus 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 of A, it is 2. Now you see 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 minus 3, it will be 6. Right, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay? Now state the values of N and CH. Char CH equal to capital B. The ASCII code of B is how much? 66. Int N is equal to C plus 1. 66 plus 1 becomes how much? 67. Char CH equal to char of N. Character value of N is how much? Capital C. Number 11. If A equal to 2, B equal to 5, then what will be the value of X in the following statement? X equal to A greater than B. This is a ternary operator. A greater than B. Condition is false, so the B will come. So the output will be how much? 5. What will be the output of the following if x equal to 5 initially? 5 into plus x. Now the value of 5 was there, plus of x, it becomes 6. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 into x plus plus. 5 into x plus plus. Now here the value of x will remain 5 only. 5 into 5 is 25. If m equal to 5 and n equal to 2, output the values of m and n after execution is. Now let's see. M minus equal to n minus minus plus minus m minus plus m plus n minus 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 m plus minus n. We substitute the value m equal to m minus, keep the entire thing in bracket, right? Keep the entire thing in bracket. We substitute the values here. N minus minus, it will 2 only. Plus minus m becomes kitna? 4 ho gaya. Minus plus of m, it is 5. Plus n minus minus, it is 1. Minus m, it is 4. Minus n, it becomes 1. So what happened? It is finally getting the value 5 minus 3. So it is 5 plus 3, that's 8. Similarly here, n equal to m plus m upon n. M divided by n. We'll get the quotient minus m minus plus n plus minus n. So we substitute the values and then you will get the result. Okay? 14th question you see, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. If I equals 5, then break. Here we need to understand the use of break and continue. What does break do? Break हमको loop से बाहर निकाल देता है. So it printed till 1, 2, 3, 4. When the value of I came, it took it out of the loop. So the program or the break statement takes us out of the loop. 15th one, continue statement. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. If I modulus 3 is 0, then continue. Now, it will go on in a normal way. 1, 2, when I became 3, 3 modulus 3 is 0, it did not print. So break program से बाहर निकाल देता है और continue केवल उस iteration के लिए it takes the program out of the loop, right? It skips that iteration. So that is the difference between break and continue. The break takes you out of the loop, but the continue statement halts the program for that particular iteration. Is it clear? 16th again. For I equal to 3, I less than equal to 30, I plus plus. If I modulus 10 is not equal to 0, then continue. Means अगर वो 10 का मल्टीपल नहीं है तब वो कंटिन्यू कर दे रहा है. तो 10, 20, 30 it will print. In all other iterations it has skipped it. ठीक है. Boolean value equal to true, int I value 100, while I value means while it is getting a true, it will print. If I less than equal to 60, then the value becomes false. Then it, so 100, 80, 60. After 20 it is reduced. And again, when 60, then value becomes false, then it does not get an entry into the loop because I is equal to 40. So when it gets a value false, it is not executing. So it is being operated by the Boolean statement. Int n equal to a equal to 12, b equal to 7. Int n equal to a, while true, if n modulus b equal to 0, break. And what it is doing otherwise, n plus equal to a. तो लूप के अंदर यहाँ पे कोई प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट नहीं है. अगर वो b से डिविजिबल है तब वो उसको यूज कर रहा है, अदरवाइज इट इज अपडेटिंग इट. सो 12 प्लस 12 24, 24 प्लस 12 36. सारा 7 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. 36 प्लस 12 48, 48 प्लस 12 60, 60 प्लस 12 72, नॉट डिविजिबल. 72 प्लस 12 84. 84 is divisible by 12. Yes. Sorry, 84 is divisible by 7. Yes. It closes the loop now. Now it prints the value 84. Okay. For int I equal to 50, I not equal to 0. Test condition is there. No update value in the for loop. This is not wrong. The update will be done in the loop. It is printing the value of I, then I minus equal to 10. I equal to I minus 10 हो रहा है. 50 minus 40 minus 30, 20, 10. So this is the output. 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay. Next, int j. For I equal to a, j equal to 10. Again you see, initial value is a, test condition is 2, update value is again 2. So I के लिए एक update है, j के लिए एक update है, and then we are getting a 99, 10 into 10 minus 1, 99, B 9 into 9 81 minus 1 80. C 8 into 8 64. It is going till 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Let's see. This is the output. I equal to 20, B equal to 4. While A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. If A is greater than B, then A equal to A minus 2 into B. A is greater than B, yes. Then 20 minus 2 into 4, 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. So it is printing A and then B. The value of B was 4. Again, value of A is 12. Otherwise, now what is happening? A equal to A minus 2 into B. Okay, A minus 2 into B. Now, what has happened here? The value of A is 12. Okay, 12 minus 2 into 4, 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. B is 4. Next time, A is 4 now. 4 minus 2 into 4, 4 minus 8. It becomes minus 4. So it is here. And then it will be ending. So it is there, the condition becomes here B minus 2 into A. So this will be updated value here. So accordingly, it is changing. Int M equal to 3126, while M is not equal to 0. System.out.println M modulus 10. 3126 modulus 10. What will be there? 6. M equal to M divided by 10. Kitna ho gaya? 312. 312 modulus 10. 2. It becomes 31. 31 modulus 10. 1. Okay, M equal to M divided by 10. It is now 3. 3 modulus 10 is 3. Now 3 divided by 10, it is becoming 0. The loop will end. Okay. Next you see. Int A equal to 32, B equal to 24 and C. While A modulus B is not equal to 0, C equal to A modulus B. C equal to A modulus B. 32 modulus 24, it is 8. A equal to B, B equal to C. A के पास B का value आ गया, B के पास C का value आ गया. ठीक है? A equal to B. So here comes 24, B equal to C. Again, 24 modulus 8. It will be 0. Output of B is being printed. So the output will be 8. So when you have multiple variables, now you can make a table like this and it will help you get the programs, means the output question solved easily. This one you see, how many times the following code will be executed? How many times the following code will be executed? While plus plus I is less than equal to 5. Plus plus I here what happens? 6. Is it less than equal to 5? No. It will be 0 times. While I plus plus is less than equal to 5. I plus plus, it is equal to 5. So it will be executing once. Okay? So you can be asked questions like this also. How many times this code will be executed? D equal to 2020. Do system.out.print D. It printed 2020. D equal to D divided by 100. D divided by 100, it will get 20, while D is greater than 0. Okay, so it again got an entry. Print D. It printed this 20 here. D equal to D divided by 100. It became 0. Now it is 0, so it will not get an entry into the loop. So the final output will be this. Okay. This 2020 by the first one and this 20 by the second prime statement. For n equal to 1, n less than equal to 20, n equal to n plus 2. So it is updated by 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and it will go till 19, right? If n modulus 3 is 0, then it is printing n ka value 3, 9, 15. It prints the values, right? So I hope these output-based questions will be helping you out, right? After this, now I'll be sharing some MCQ questions as well. Because these MCQ questions help you understand the MCQ questions. If you do it well, it will be helping you to get the values, right? So when we talk about multiple choice questions, you will be getting different types of questions which will be there and they will be helping you understand. MCQ में problem क्या होता है कि many of the questions at times you find that they have a similar output. ठीक है? Similar output होने की या similar होने की वजह से क्या होता है, कई बारी confusion होता है कि you get the output and then again there is a confusion कि कौन सा सही है. So for that, you need to understand it properly. Like you see here, Dash is responsible for converting bytecode to machine code. It will be Java virtual machine. The CPU understands which language? Machine language. Bytecode is the program in binary form. Yes, it's true. Dash is known as the method of using essential features without including background details, abstraction. Which of the following is not an object-oriented programming? Okay, Smalltalk, Simula 67, they are all OOP, C++, Basic. Basic is a procedure-oriented programming language. What is the extension of a Java class file? Dot class. The objects may communicate with each other through function. True. What is the extension of a .java source code? The source code which we make, it has a .java extension. Dash is a program that reads a source program line by line. Interpreter, compiler reads the entire program, then it converts, but interpreter does it line by line. So Java has both compiler as well as interpreter. The process by which a class acquires the property of another class is known as inheritance. Yes, it's true. The words which are reserved with the system are called keywords. The process of restricting the free flow of data from the outside world is known as encapsulation. A class is a set of objects that has common attributes and common behaviors. Feature of Java includes secure, object-oriented, platform-independent, all of these. Yes, it will be all of these. Creating Dash is the fundamental concept in object-oriented programming language. Object class is known as a Dash data type, component, composite, amended, complex. Yes. ICSE SEM1 equal to Dash ICSE. It will be new, which is used to create a new object. The different Dash of a class have common behaviors. Object. An object of a class is created by using class कैसे बनाते हैं? By using the new keyword. Class of B equal to new class. Class is a dash of objects, blueprint. Operators. Operators equal to and double equal to perform the same operation. False. It's ternary operator x equal to 90, char c equal to x less than equal to 90. It is true, so it will be capital Z. C equal to 3 less than 4. Output will be condition is true, so it will be 3 into 4, that's 12. X equal to 8.25, f int y equal to int x. It's a forceful conversion, explicit conversion. So the value of y will be 8 and x will be 8.25. Boolean t equal to a greater than 20 and b less than 15. True or false? It is false. If x is equal to 1, y equal to minus minus x. X is 1 and y is minus minus x. So what happens? X is 0, y is 0. Okay. Ternary output-based questions, increment, decrement, you all can do. This is the output-based questions again. Which of the following is not a binary operator? And is a binary operator. Modulus is a binary operator. Double equal to is a binary operator. Not. This is a unary operator. Ternary operator again. Val plus 550. Val was 1000. 1000 plus 550. It is 1550. It's less than 1700. It's true. So the first one will be coming. The statement 1 equals 1. 1 colon 0 evaluates to 1. The statement 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. It is 6, 3, 3. Not a valid operator. Not and double equal to. It should be not equal to. A equal to 14. B equal to 4. Boolean x equal to A greater than B. It is true. Okay. So you can go through all this. Yes. Math functions. Math.round 2.4. It will be 2. Math.round minus 2.4 minus 2. Math.round 2.6 3. Math.round minus 2.6 minus 3. Math.seal 2.6 3.0. Math.seal minus 2.6 minus 2.0. Math.rin 2.6 3.0. Math.rin 2.3 2.0. Math.in minus 2.3 minus 2.0. Math.abs 32.57. It is 32.57 only absolute value. Math.floor 32.57, it will be 32.0. Math.sqrt 25, it is 5.0. Math.power 2, 5, 2 to the power 5, 32.0. Math.max 2, 5, it will be 5, it will give the bigger value. Math.sign returns the sign of an angle whose unit is in radians. So these were the output-based, certain output-based and certain MCQ questions. I'll again be just sharing one more set that is with the string part. I'll just be again starting this one. Yes, so like you can see here, 15 plus 9 plus 6, since it is a string, it is taking as string only. 6 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 42. So you can just see here, America dot compare to Aman, A common, M common. Now E minus A, B, C, D, E. So it will be becoming 4, right? So all these string-based questions are there, output-based questions, you can go through them. These are certain output-based questions which I have compiled from string. So you can go through these. This will help you to understand it well. This is again using the string only. I've tried to compile. These are all output-based questions which I have executed on the computer, and then I have kept it so that you can get a final value. You can just see here. These are certain questions combining from string and all others. Math.round again I have given here. Okay, these are all output-based questions. So you can go through this, right? Try to have execution and try, you can just follow it. Like you see, cat dot compared to catalyst, C common, C common, A common, A common, T common, T common. Now there are 5 extra ones in this. So it will be how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 3. Right? Cat dot compared to cattle, it will be minus 3. Cattle dot compared to cat, it is coming 3. But cat dot compared to R, T minus R, it will be 2. Cabbage dot compared to cat, now B minus T, it is 18, minus 18. So that way you can just go through all these output-based questions. You can just take a note, go through it. And yes, if you do all these output-based questions properly, that is guaranteed that you will be doing well. I'll be uploading one more video in which I'll be covering with the various programs, certain important programs. So that I'll be doing. So thanks to all of you. And yes, all the best to all of you. And I wish that you all do well in your board examination. And I want that everybody gets 100 out of 100 in the computer application paper, which will be there on 19th of March. So all the best to all of you and good luck to all my students. Thank you.